Hello, guys. Welcome back. Yes, welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional, not in today's newspaper of Sunday. No, it's actually Saturday. In the edition of Saturday, September the 3rd, 2022. Because on Sunday, today, we don't receive any newspaper. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the edition of the yesterday's newspaper. Yes, in the additional we have three puzzles left. The first one I've already solved, this letter Sudoku. Two puzzles are left, the Two Stars Sudoku and the tectonic. So let me continue now with the Two Stars Sudoku number 5122. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits, one less than the previous puzzle. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you need more time to solve. But for two stars a puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So let's get started. Yes, let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about this big square? We have four missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 2 and a 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. So the other two numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. This 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see which number can I pick? How about the number? Let me see. Number. Yeah, which number can I pick? Come on. Ooh, interesting. Well, we have a pair. The 6 and 8 in this row. The 6 and 8 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only two places left for the 6 and 8 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8, 6 and the 8. We have an 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. Then. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only two places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Three missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 and the 7 is missing. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And look, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in this column, middle column, so no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. So the other two numbers should be the 3 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. Okay. Then. We have a 5 in this column. The 5 in the column next. So the last column, the only two places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row. So no 5 there. 5 should be there. Now we have a 5 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now in this row. So no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. So one box left in this row for number the 1, the 2 is missing. Two numbers left in the middle row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and the 3, okay. Alright. Then. How about I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there in the first row, here or there. We see another 9 in this column, so no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And 4 goes there. Alright. Then. Alright. Well, one of the missing number in the first row is the number 2. Well, here can be a 2 because we have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. Here we have a 2 in this column, so no 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there in the first row. Yes. Okay. 6. Okay. I'm still thinking. 5. 9. Well. 9. 3, 8. 3 and 8. Come on. It's taking too long. 1, 2, 3, and 7. 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Well. Come on. 6. 5. 2. Come on. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. Overlooked. So on a column between the middle column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. So 1 number left in this middle column for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 8. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in the second row. No 8 in these two boxes here. An 8 in the last column. No 8 in those two boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in one of those two boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the first column. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the second row. So no 8 there. 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those two boxes earlier with the 8. Now we have an 8 here in the first row. So no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. 3 missing numbers. In the first row, one of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. Alright. 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row. So no 6 there, 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So the last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 6. Alright. So 2 numbers left in the first row for numbers. The 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in this column. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in the last row. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2, 2. Well. 2, 2. 2, 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now. 2, 2, 2. No. 2, 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. Yeah. Need to wait. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. So no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 9 in the third column. The 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the second row. So no 9 there. 9 should be there. Do I have all the 9s? And all the 9s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 9. Now I can continue with the 2. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in the first row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 4, number 2. Okay. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. The 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row, second row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in this row. No 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see this is number 5, number 4. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7, 5 and the 7. We have a 7 in this column. So no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 and a 3, we already have a 1 here in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. We have a 3 in the last column, so no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this row for number. The 1, the 2, and the 3 is missing. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and a 7, 5 and a 7. We have a 5 in the first column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow, wow, wow. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And yeah, we will meet again in a minute with the last puzzle of today. Saiva block. It will be a tectonic, in Japanese, Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.